Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide or unhide the Bing chat button in Microsoft Edge browser. This is Bing chat button. This is also known as the Bing Discover button. So if you want to hide or unhide, or you have by mistake hide it and you want to use this one Bing chat button, then this Gear Up Windows video will help you. You can hide or unhide this using Registry. So first click on the start button and then start typing Registry Editor. Once Registry Editor app appears on your screen, click on this one to open it. Press yes if in case Windows prompts you. After that, you need to copy and paste this one path in this Registry Editor address bar, and after that press enter on the keyboard. In case you find up to here only, up to Microsoft key only, then you need to create an Edge key. For that, right click on this one Microsoft key, select new and then key option, then name it as Edge, this one. After this, select the Edge key, and on the right side on the free space, right click and select new dword 32-bit value, and here you need to name it as subs subs sidebar enabled. Once you set the name for this one new dword, then click outside and you can then double click on this one newly created res dword, and you need to here set the value 1 to turn on Bing chat on Edge, and if you want to hide this one, then you need to set here value data 0. After that, click on this one OK button, close the registrator, again open the Edge browser, and you should no see anymore this one Bing chat button, whatever you call it. In case it still appears, just restart once your PC and it will remove 100%, and if you have enabled, then it will appear again. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe to this channel app, and if you are an old customer and find this video is helpful, then kindly press thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.